Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your game is updated and you are in the hero loadout. This ensures sticker options are available. Next, open your character's loadout screen and tap the sticker icon to access the sticker menu. Once inside, scan equipped slots versus inventory to spot empty placements and duplicates. This step sets you up to edit quickly. By doing it first, you avoid wasting time unlocking while trying to apply stickers during a match. Now you choose stickers that match your build. You should compare stats and passive bonuses side by side so you understand why one improves your playstyle more than another. Drag or click the sticker into the ability or gear slot you want. Make sure the slot type supports that sticker effect. Once placed, reorder or remove conflicting stickers to preserve synergy. This part matters because sticker combinations can change cooldowns, damage scaling, or utility. So think about interactions, not just raw numbers. Finish by saving your loadout and immediately testing in a quick match or training arena so you see sticker effects in action. If a sticker fails to apply, make sure the slot supports that sticker type, you have no duplicate restrictions, and you haven't hit any caps on similar bonuses. If problems persist, remove and re-equip the sticker and restart the client. This often clears sync errors. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Server or client desync is the usual culprit, so a restart usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.